Good morning, students. Class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha, your English teacher. Today, I am going to teach you the story The Farmer Who Became a Doctor, written by Meera Nair. About this story, yesterday I had told you that there is a farmer who wished to become a doctor, and by selling his grass, he became able to get the apparatus of a doctor. The doctor took his grass and gave his cane, hat, dress, whatever with him to the farmer. Now, the farmer decorated himself with all the things of the doctor, asked his wife whether he was looking like a doctor or not. The wife suggested to put up a signboard outside his house. After that, at the time when he was putting up a signboard, he had done a mistake. Instead of writing doctor, he had written detective. At that time, king's messenger was passing through the way. He saw that signboard, reported about his king, and the king asked the messenger to tell the detective to find his horses, and for that he would reward him generously. Now, when the farmer knew about this, he thought that a doctor is supposed to give a prescription even for something like this. The farmer thought to give a prescription for that situation. He started turning the pages of the book given by the doctor, and he looked a prescription paper inside one of the pages of the book. He took it out and gave to the messenger and told him to follow the prescription and all will be well. Now the messenger was surprised but followed the prescription. Detective is not to be supposed to give a prescription. That's why the messenger first of all became surprised but decided to follow the prescription which was given to him by the detective. And I don't understand how taking this tablet will help me find the horses. The messenger asked the farmer that what help will be given to him by taking the tablet, how it will help to find the horse. All of a sudden, at last he decided that after taking the tablet, what will happen? So he all of a sudden followed the suggestion given by the farmer. After taking the tablet, my head feels like it is going to split. I cannot go on. I must rest. The messenger felt giddiness after taking the tablet, and he felt that his brain is going to be broken. He thought himself unable to stand. Rest was quite needed for him. So, what he did? He stopped at the nearest house where the messenger was at that time. From that place, the messenger went to the nearest house and told there, I am the royal messenger. Please allow me to rest here on the porch for a while. First of all, reaching to the nearest house, the messenger told his identity to the housekeeper and requested to allow him to have rest there on the porch for a while. A few minutes later, the horse neighed again, and at the time when he was taking rest, he had heard the sound of the horses. Neigh means the sound of horse. Again, the horse neighed. The messenger thought it is the king's horse. By listening the sound of the horse, the messenger thought it is king's horses. And sure enough, there in the neighbor's stable, he saw two missing horses. As soon as he went near the horse, he saw that in the neighbor's stable, the two missing horses were there. Now, what a great detective! He knew exactly how to help me find them. I will inform the king about him right away. The messenger became surprised to see, and he thought that the detective is a great person who has told him exactly where the horse was, and decided to inform the king about the horse then and there. Soon the thief was caught. The horses were brought back to the royal stable, and the farmer was rewarded well. Now, there is a proverb here, my dear students, that God helps whom who help themselves. It was the desire of the farmer to become a doctor, and he, being a simpleton, started working towards the site, and now he was rewarded, and well rewarded, because his forecasting, his thought became true by chance. So the thief was caught then and there, and horses were brought to the royal stable, and the farmer got well reward. The king has sent you this bag of coins for finding the horses and the thief. Now, as it was promised by the king for a generous reward, the king sent him the bag of coins for finding the horses and the thief. The following day, there was a mayhem in the palace. The princess is inconsolable. She has lost her diamond ring. Go and bring that detective here. Now, in the palace means, write down, palace means king's house. Palace means king's house. There was confusion, mayhem. Mayhem means great confusion. Great confusion. Commotion also. People were talking. Among them, they were discussing where had the diamond gone away, and due to this situation, the princess became inconsolable because she has lost her diamond ring, and she also told the messenger to go and bring that detective to her. Now, when the detective came to the princess, how he could become success to find the diamond ring, about that I will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.